Now let me show you the segment reinforcement command, which is also very useful. What it does is all you need to do is select a segment of any bar. It doesn't have to be a closed loop or a stirrup or anything, but all you do is you basically select a segment and right click, and immediately along the entire segment these segment bars are created. And you can when you double click on them, you can change the count. For example, I can make them 5 bars. I can make them, if I make them 5 bars, what I can do is I can say, okay, put 5 bars, but don't put the first and the last. So what that will do is it'll put the middle three and leave out the ones at the corners. If I leave that as it is, then all 5 will be placed. So let me put 3 bars over there, and I can do that very easily. I can use the same command on the bottom leg as well. Right click, and immediately the segment rebars are created. And in this way, you can very easily create your beams and columns manually, even if you needed to. Now, another way to work with this is to, let me undo that, is to go to your segment reinforcement command, select a leg, but then don't right click, but select point 1 and then select point 2. So it will then create those segment rebars between those points, along with the offsets, of course. You have the additional option of having these offsets to the start and the end. So you can very easily use that those offsets, and it will basically do the creation for you. Now, let's move on to the cranking of straight bars, for example. So we have this command for cranking over here. All you need to do is just select the command and select any straight bar, and immediately it will be cranked in a certain direction. If you don't like the direction, what you can do is you can select the points and just give them a move of, say, minus 800, whatever direction which is suitable for you. Or if that's too much, maybe you can bring them back up a bit, but very easily you can move it around and create cranks in the bar as shown. And initially you can go in and actually modify the actual numbers of what you want these distances to be and the angles to be as well.